हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका दोस्त और होस्ट विकास कुमार सुमन, फैकल्टी केडीपीएस नागली सकरावती नजफगढ़ नई दिल्ली, प्रोप्राइटर ब्रेन बूस्ट एकेडमी नियर मदन क्लिनिक, राणाजी इनक्लेव नजफगढ़ नई दिल्ली, सर्टिफाइड वैदिक मैथ टीचर. Today I am going to explain chapter 3, Exploring Society India and Beyond, class 7 SST, Climate of India. What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time, about 30 years or more. It includes temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind, air pressure. Factors affecting climate of India. Latitude. India lies in the tropical and subtropical zones, southern India in warmer than northern India. Altitude. Temperature decreases with height. Hill stations like Shimla, Ooty remain cooler than plains. Distance from the sea. Coastal areas have moderate climate. Islands area experience extreme temperature. Relief features. The Himalayas block cold winds from Central Asia and also influence rainfall. Monsoon winds. Seasonal winds are the main reason for climate and rainfall in India. Seasons in India. Summer, very hot weather with high temperature and low rainfall. Rainy season. Southern monsoon brings heavy rainfall. Rivers fill with water and farming begins. Retreating monsoon, October to November. Monsoon wind withdraw, weather becomes clear. Tamil Nadu gets rain from northeast monsoon. Winter, December to February. Cold and dry weather, snowfall in Himalayas, pleasant weather in South India. Distribution of rainfall. Rainfall is not equal in all parts. Heavy rainfall over 200 cm. Meghalaya, Assam, Western Ghat. Moderate rainfall 100 to 200 cm. Ganga Plains, coastal areas. Low rainfall less than 100 cm. Rajasthan, Ladakh, some part of Gujarat. The monsoon. Southwest monsoon, June to September, begins nearly 75 to 80% of India annual rainfall. Two branches, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal branch, Arabian Sea or Bay of Bengal. Northeast monsoon, October to December, brings rainfall mainly to Tamil Nadu and nearby coastal regions. Importance of climate. Helps in growing different crops, provides water for drinking and other uses, determine our food, clothing and houses. Affected vegetation and wildlife, helps in tourism and recreation, influence the economy and daily life. Climate region of India. India has different climate regions because of its large size and diversity. Tropical climates, most of the peninsular India. Subtropical climate, northern plains of India. Mountain climates, Himalaya region. Desert climate, Rajasthan and nearby areas. Coastal climate, coastal areas have moderate climate. Climate and agriculture. Farmers depend on rainfall for their crops. Kharif crops, grown in monsoon season. Rice, maize, cotton, sown in June, July and harvest in September to October. Rabi crops, grown in winter season. Wheat, mustard, gram, sown in October, November and harvested in March, April. Climate decides which crops can be grown and when. Natural disaster related to climate. Floods, droughts, cyclones, heat waves, cold waves, thunderstorms. These disasters can cause loss of life, property and crops. Climate change. What is climate change? Long-term change in the Earth's climate pattern causes deforestation, burning of fossil fuels, air pollution, greenhouse gases, effects, rise in temperature, melting of glaciers, irregular rainfall, more floods and drought, harm to plant animals and humans. Key points to remember. Climate is the average weather of a place over many years. Latitude, altitude, distance from sea, relief, and monsoon winds affect India's climate. India has more main seasons: summer, rainy season, refreshing monsoon, and winter. Southwest monsoon brings most of the rainfall. Climate affects agriculture, water, clothing, house, vegetation, wildlife, and economy. Climate change is a global issue. We must protect our environment. Know your climate, understand nature, respect our planet. Quick revision: climate average weather over long period. Main factors: latitude, altitude, distance from sea, relief, monsoon winds, season, summer, rainy, retreating monsoon, winter, monsoon, southwest monsoon, June to September, northwest monsoon, October to December. Rainfall is highest in Meghalaya, Assam, and Western Ghats. Climate is important for life and economic activity. Thank you very much.